Hey guys, Cayman2995 here, bringing you a new video, and this one is going to be about an application called RocketDock. You may have heard of it before, or something, but basically what it is there's basically this little thing, so you can position it either bottom, right, left, or top, and you can basically just hover over items, like drag items onto it, so like that. So I'm going to show you how to install it, and I'm going to show you all the neat features about it. So first of all, go to your Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Mozilla, or whatever browser you have. Go to Google, and then you can also, or you can just type in RocketDock, or you can just type in RocketDock.com. Be usually the first one, or in your case, I'll just leave a link to the website down in the description. So basically, this right here, it tells you what it is. Yeah. So yeah, I would prefer downloading the latest version. Actually, I don't think that was it. Let's just do this one. Apparently, no one knows it. So let's install it. Yes, install. Okay, next. Now either you can choose your own directory where you can install it, or you can just go with the default one, which I'm going to do with the default one. You can create a desktop icon, which will basically put it on the desktop wherever you want it, and I don't really care. And then you can just install it. Pretty fast install, and you just hit finish and you're done. Sitting there. Then you can exit your browser, and you can type in use Windows key and type in RocketDock, open it up, and it will bring you this thing right here. It's pretty handy. Maybe it's already there, I don't know. Whatever. And then you can basically right click on it and hit dock settings. This will let you customize it, and since I'm an English person, so I'm in USA, I'm going to select English, and select English and set it up. Basically, if you want it to run at startup, which means when you first log into your computer, you want it to be there. Checkmark it. If you don't, leave it uncheckmarked. Store settings in portable INI, which basically lets it store it. I don't know, but whatever. And then minimize Windows to the dock. Basically, this makes you to where, I'm just gonna actually. So basically, if you were to have Mozilla up here on this, and if you were to open up Mozilla and you were to minimize that, basically it would not go down to here. I'll show you that just real quick. So it wouldn't go down to here, I don't believe. Basically, you can open it up. If you open, basically open it up, and you can minimize it. But in case it's enabled, so I'm gonna enable that real quick. And then you can click OK, and you can go like this, and it will minimize it to like that. So basically, now you don't. Now you just basically start new one, and it does that again. New one, so on and so forth. So that one does. Right click and select open window or close window, or you can do the RocketDock tab and then hit dock settings like that. So yeah, and basically I'm not going to enable this because I like it down here. Running an application indicators just basically gives you an indicator that the application is running. So basically I'll show you that right now. Open up Mozilla. There will be a little arrow over it telling you that it is open. Whenever you exit, the arrow will be gone. Yep, there it goes. So yeah, and I select that. Open an application instance. I forget what that is, so let's check it out. I don't know if that did anything or not, but you know. Then you can lock items. So basically, without you locking the items, you can basically go like this, drag them, and then they'll basically put the one back up there. And you can dock settings, and locking the items will basically just make it to where you cannot delete them, but basically you can't do them at all. You can't do anything like this. That's in case like somebody was trying to mess up your computer, you can just do that. And you don't know how to customize this. So yeah, there's that. There's a general tab. There's the icon tab, and you can choose the quality you want yours to be at. Technically, I would recommend having a. If you wanted to run high quality, I would recommend having okay-ish processor, one that's at least clocked to like 2.5 gigahertz or above. But that's my opinion. My processor is 3.6 gigahertz, but you know, high quality, it's just slower, but it looks a lot better. And low quality, it's a lot faster, but that's good. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to find out high quality, then opacity. So basically, see what I was doing there? So basically, you can change it to where it's not as effective until you hover over it. So basically, you make it look like almost invisible type thing whenever it's not being hovered over. So yeah, and zoom opaque. Yeah, that's that. And then basically the size of it, you can make it up to 128 pixels, which is way too big. I'm just gonna find like 40, no, 50. That was reasonable. So that's basically adjusting the size of the menu or bar. Then hover effect, zoom or bubble. It's basically this one. And plateau makes it kind of like a plateau if you've ever seen it. And then flat. Basically everything is just like this. Just moves it to where you're moving. And none is just hovering over another numbers. Like the plateau. So the zoom, you can change it when you hover over it, zooms in really big, or you can change it to where it only zooms in like 1 pixel. Basically, just round it. So kind of like 60. Yeah, that seems reasonable. Then zoom width is basically when you hover over it, it will take up the bottom and the sides of it out wider. So we show you that. So basically, that just moves it wider and doesn't move it that much. So it's going to adjust it to 4 is the default. And zoom duration. This one is actually pretty cool. You can either have it like do it instantly, or you can have it take a little bit of time. And basically, I'm probably gonna make it at around 225-ish, actually 250-ish. Probably gonna be around good. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then position. So you can either, if you have multiple monitors, you can have on either one. Like this one's my main monitor and then monitor 2. It'll be showing up to here, this one. Let me show you guys. We'll show up to this one. And then you just come back in here. And you can change it to where it goes back into the monitor row. And then the screen position, you can either configure it to where it goes to top, bottom, left, or right. I'm probably going to configure it on the bottom. And you can either center it to the right, all the way to the right, or all the way to the left. But I'm going to keep mine perfectly centered. And then you can change your edge offset in case like you're doing it like me on the bottom, and there's like this little taskbar right here. It's where you get to like do stuff to be able to get to it. So basically, I'm going to put mine at, and basically it just moves it up and down, or side to side if you're on the left side. So like if you're on the left side, you're doing this, it would just move to the left and right. So yeah. So the bottom, Mine would be 40 pixels. And then you can change it to where either it's always on top, normal, or always on bottom. Which is basically always on top whenever you open an application. It will basically always be on top of the application no matter what. I think it even does it for gaming, I'm not sure. And then you can basically go in here and you can change it to be normal. So to be like whenever you open an app and it goes to the app, it disappears. And then whenever you like go like this, like goes like I forget, but you know, whenever you exit that app, it's there. Or you can just have it to be always on the bottom, to where it just whenever you open an app, it just goes straight there and never comes back up, just like that, until you go to the home screen. So let's go into the style. So you have a lot of different themes, and I'm just gonna scroll through them nice and fast. Then I'm gonna choose my favorite one that I actually like, which is probably gonna be that one, Vista Black. That one was actually my favorite one right there. Opacity, you can change it to where it's almost invisible. Actually, it is invisible. The theme of it is invisible. The icons are. You disable the icon labels for basically there's no like if you were to enable this again, there'd be icon like labels above it, and you can just basically disable that and have no icon labels. Select your font, your shadow color, and your outline color. So if they have it, they are just I'm probably gonna have a medium, and so let's start doing it. So let's say since I'm a huge fan of red. So basically now it's like this. You have your shadow color. So I red, but kind of too red. I have shadow opacity. Basically, the more opacity, the more visible it is. I'm probably going to run at about 40%, like that. For my shadow color, I'm probably might put like 10. Yeah, that's good. Outline color, just your outline. So, say if you're doing orange, whatever you're going to do, actually this, basically white, and just outlines the fonts, those little letters. Just going to keep it like that. There's that side, and then the behavior. So auto hide is basically auto hides itself. Basically, and you're going to go to the very bottom and bring it back up. So basically, you just hover over the bottom of it, and you can go back into it. That's going to be done. Super Uber icon. I forget this does. Pop up on mouse over. Woo! So yeah, and there's an about tab where you can update it, you can check the forums, and you can check the debug info. So yeah. Anyways, guys, if you actually I forgot to add one thing, you can go into icon settings and change all your icons. So this one is all control panel items, and say if you wanted to change your, let's say, Mozilla icon, you can go here. My computer, change my documents, whatever, help, stuff like that. You can change your icon settings, and you can add an item, including a separator, which is actually really neat. So basically it separates, like, say like all of your, like, say like your internet browser. So all it is. But I mean, you can do it like this, separate your thing and stuff. Or you can do that. You can also add a blank icon. Just do that, question mark. And then just delete it, you can just go like that. And add an item, file, stuff like that. Monitor, choose monitor real quickly. change screen protection, screen position real quickly, change the auto hide real quick, lock all the items real quickly, and you can obviously put that. You can open it back up. I just go in like this, RocketDock. So, anyways, guys, if you like this video, or if you'd like to see more of them, be sure to hit that like button and also that subscribe button. Also, questions down below in the comment section would be very much appreciated, as I will take feedback. And anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.